Someone asked me the most accurate indicator you can ever use in Tradingview and one that will never disappoint you. Basically, guys, indicators, you don't expect them to work 100%, but there is an indicator that I can really recommend to any beginner who is struggling to understand the Forex market, okay? Just the way you can teach a child a few words to say when they are growing up, that's the same way I can basically show you about this indicator. So guys, we go into tradingview.com. Once you go to tradingview.com, under technical, just type volume profile by Luxalgo. It's a very great indicator, very, very detailed. This one right here, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will definitely appear like this right on your chart. But once you click on it with the default settings, it will not appear like this. There is a lot you have to change under settings so that you'll be able to execute your trades. Okay, so under settings, guys, ensure the look back is actually 100%. These are the number of most recent bars to use for the calculation of the volume profile. So personally, when I'm using the 5 minutes time frame, I've felt the 100 number is actually correct for me. The row size, basically, I'm gonna use 50. So guys, make sure you activate the show rolling POC. As you know, POC represent point of control, so it is very important. Therefore, deactivate the flip histogram if it is, activate the gradient, then the rest leave them at default settings as well. Styles, leave them as default settings, visibility in default settings. Then you click on OK. Once you click on OK, we will have it right here, as you can see. So guys, on live market over here, without further ado, you can basically see the POC. POC is what we call point of control. So guys, if you really don't know what a volume profile really shows, this is actually an institutional tools, and therefore guys, they show us the highly accumulated volume within a certain price areas. The number of areas are determined by the size of the volume profile. So the longer it is, the more highly concentrated area it is, and therefore being a highly concentrated area, this tells me this is whereby smart money are accumulating their orders, and once they accumulate their orders, guys, there is always a significant movement after that. So here it was accumulated, guys, and you can see later on we had this great push here on live market. It is as well accumulated because we have our point of control right here, and you can see the aggressiveness of the market at this given point. So the settings, they play a very vital role when you want to execute this trade. And so guys, there is something as well I would love to put across, or rather clarify. Anytime you're using the volume profile, it is actually nice, but you really have to have confirmation. When you understand this level right here, like here, there was a lot of confusion simply because there was no clear direction. But later in the day, guys, the price really pushed to the upside. Here again as well, you can see there was a concentration of orders right here, and there was no clear movement, but later on it is always a very huge movement. So always be patient when you see a highly concentrated area. Highly concentrated area plays a very vital role in showing you guys this is a level that you're supposed to watch the market from. And how I approach it, guys, I don't rush executing my trades. I want to see what is going to happen next. When you actually very patient to see where a candlestick are actually breaking up to and closing up to. And that's why executing your buy order over here, it was a guarantee. You understand? That's why, guys, you really have to know a lot when it comes to a volume profile indicator by Luxalgo. This one is working on real time. It is not repainting, and it shows you exactly what you're supposed to know. And it's very evident, guys, because we are seeing this right on live market. So even if you forget at any given point to actually activate the POC line to be extended, just know you can as well highlight the level by yourself, and it becomes a level that you're supposed to watch the market from. And therefore, guys, it tells a lot and a lot. And therefore, guys, you can see when it moves horizontally, there is a level that you're supposed to watch the market from. Even if you can look at it that I've told you, be patient and wait to see what is going to happen next, because there is no clear direction. Once you see several break of structure right there, you can see it was a beautiful push to the upside. So that is the power of the volume profile when you basically pay attention on the point of control. It is important as far as forex trading is concerned, and that is exactly what I want you guys to pay attention to. This is exactly what I want you guys to really use. anytime that you want to execute trades. I wish you nothing but the best. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. And therefore, guys, this is the only indicator that I see it working accurately. But there is a lot of volume profile, guys, but the strategy remains the same. When you click on technicals and just type the volume profile, they are a lot, guys. And therefore, it's upon you to choose the one that works for you. And that's what I've told you, guys. Please use this one, Luxalgo. We have a lot. They show the sessions, the periodic, the fixed range, the community. These ones are actually chosen and recommended by Tradingview. There is a lot and a lot. And there is a lot as well you have to pay attention to. Not only executing your trades blindly. This really needs a lot and a lot of patience, simply because you have to wait and see where price is actually heading to. That will help you many times. Okay, don't forget as well, you're supposed to exit your trades at levels that you're supposed to close the market to, and that will help you guys executing your trades, exiting with profits rather than holding your losses for long. And that's why I've told you, whenever you see a volume profile area highlighted, be patient and wait to see what is going to happen next. This is evident on live market, and that's why I've actually preferred that setting, simply because it shows me what I really have to see on live market. And that's why I tell you guys, anytime that you want to test indicators, anytime that you want to test any strategy, please, I beg you, use these indicators on live market. Test them and see how they are reacting on live market. Test them and see how they are actually even behaving when price gets closer to them. And that will help you make decision whether you're going to use this indicator or not. Before I end this video, there is something I want to clarify. You can see this indicator is actually in blue color and in light blue color, to be very specific, but there is fainted areas that you cannot really tell whether it is blue or what. When you see the less colored areas like this one right here, just know those are less volume accumulated levels. Therefore, there is no significant move there. But when you see a highly concentrated one right here, that tells you it is a level that you're supposed to watch the market from. So pay attention to that. And therefore, that is why it is important to have your point of control, because where there is a highly concentrated, you will see a POC. Where there is less concentrated, you will not see it. So that tells you more about this indicator. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video as well. Bye guys, I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Listen, traders, before you make any big mistake, like paying for that expensive course, try reading this book first. This is basically what you are going to be taught by your mentor. In fact, not even everything. If you are a beginner and you have learnt only basics, don't dare funding your Forex account, because you will not like the results. This book will introduce you to another side of Forex trading, because you cannot like forever buy at support and sell at resistance. This book comprises of everything you need to know about smart money concepts and price action, and everything is explained simply. Grab your copy at $10 only, and it will save you from a lot rather than paying for now. If you want to kick off your Forex journey, WhatsApp this number to order your copy. First come, first serve.